Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Now let's come to the today's topic. Living in a dark world. Children, we have learned about in this chapter 2, sensitivity towards other, we have learned about hearing impaired children and the sign language also. After that, we will learn about children or people who are visually impaired. The topic is living in a dark world. Before this, I want to ask a question. Children, have you seen the movie Black, in which Amitabh Bachchan and Rani Mukherjee has given their best? If not, try to watch this movie. The movie is on blind people. Here the word blind means the people who cannot see is blind. As the topic, living in a dark world. The visually impaired blind people can't see. They learn to use their sense of touch to feel and anticipate. They also read the books that are different from us because they can't see. The pages of their books are thick and have rows of raised dots. These books are written in Braille script. They touch these dots and recognize the written word. Thus, they read by running their fingers on them. Children, do you know who invented Braille? Braille was invented by Louis Braille. Louis Braille, in an accident, he lost his eyesight. He had great interest in reading, which persuaded him to find the ways of reading and writing. Finally, he introduced a way to read and write by touching the raised dots on paper. This script was named Braille in his honor. The hearing impaired or the visually impaired children deserve our understanding and not pity. दया नहीं चाहते, जो सुन नहीं सकते, जो देख नहीं सकते, वैसे लोग अपने ऊपर दया नहीं चाहते. They do not have the ability to hear with their ears or see with their eyes, but they can be guided to move around on their own like other people. They can study and work hard at different occupations, professions. They can prove to be useful members of society. वैसे लोग भी जो देख नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, वे भी कुछ काम करना चाहते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. If they are given proper facilities, opportunities and guidance. अगर उन्हें अच्छे अवसर मिले, उन्हें मार्गदर्शन मिले, उन्हें सुविधाएं मिले, तो वो भी इस समाज के एक यूजफुल मेंबर हो सकते हैं. We must give them respect. Never be afraid to ask if they need any help. So children, how we can develop our sensitivity towards other? We should respect the elders. We should not make unkind remarks about anyone's physical appearance like children wearing braces. बहुत सारे लोगों के दांत निकले होते हैं, दांत में ब्रेसेस लगाते हैं. स्पेशल शूज, spectacles, etc. Do not make negative remarks about anyone's religion, caste, language, etc. We should talk politely to younger children, older people, and everyone, especially the servants. Try to participate in different activities. Participation is more important than winning. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार हम जीते, but participate करना किसी भी चीज में, that is important thing. We have sympathy for the poor and those suffering from any disease. Share the household chores. We should learn about meditation. It develops an ability to handle stress. At last, do you know good citizens are, after all, made at home? At last, I want to say about good and bad touch. Suppose, children, that you close your eyes and touch a cup of tea and a cold bottle. What do you feel? Hot and cold. Like that, when you feel uncomfortable by touching anybody, it is bad touch. And when you feel comfortable, affectionate, it is good touch. So, children, touch can convey many things. From this chapter, we have learned about sensitive attitude, good and bad touch, behavior towards physically impaired person, caring attitude towards our grandparents. I hope you understood the chapter. If you have doubt, you can ask in our next interactive online classes. Till then, read the chapter. I'll send the question answer of this chapter on my WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.